came together. The first responders, we can never forget what they did. They showed us what they do every single day, how they react when we are in trouble. We run from the danger. They run towards the danger to save us. So there were hundreds of first responders who knew that they were not coming out of that building alive. And they went straight on in there and saved people. And tyranny is huge, and we cannot forget what happened. But the biggest thing that we have to remember is what happened on September 12th of 2001. This country came together. We were once again the United States of America. It didn't matter whether we were Democrats or Republicans. It didn't matter what we believed in. We were all one, and we stood together. That's what happened on the 12th, and that was a significant thing. The first responders that ran into the building, you know they were given power. They had that power inside them, telling them to go make a difference. All right? So we're not going to make a difference today and save people's lives, but we can make a difference. Help each other out, make a difference by making somebody else have a great day. It's easy. Just smile and do what you do best, because this team is amazing.